We parked Johnny for the day, and this pile has gotten a little bit smaller. I cut on that this afternoon for a couple hours, and this is what I got. So this is the load on the trailer. I'll leave the John Deere here because I'm going to come back. But that's a pretty nice chunk of wood there. I'm going to guess that's going to heat us for 3 weeks, maybe, right there during the winter time. So pretty nice. Nice afternoon to work out here. I'll come back and work on that again at another point in time. It's nice having the John Deere, even though it's not too far. I didn't have to, it's only a few miles from our house here, but I just cut it, and actually kind of helps me to lay the logs out away from one another so I can cut without the tip of the bar going into the next one. Just kind of figured that out as a tip. And sharpening that saw now after I finish a tank of gas, going back and sharpening it really helps too. Hit that like and subscribe button and continue to enjoy my videos.